Apart from the sourcing of production materials, procurement of manufacturing and operating supplies also impacts your company's productivity. We offer you full support so that the lean factory can make the most of its potential. Normally, many processes and movements are required to trigger the ordering process, and long distances have to be covered. Often, a lot of people and departments are involved, and opening hours of materials issue counters have to be taken into account. That all costs time and money. Our automatic systems are game changers, ensuring steady materials supply. Smart automation makes ordering more efficient, faster and cheaper, on demand, transparent and absolutely safe thanks to access rights. By barcode, identification via PIN, or a third option, new or existing RFID cards. Access is granted as you wish. Flexibility is a prominent feature of our vending systems. The ORSYmat comes in 5 different models. What is it they have in common? All of them are connected to the ERP system, automate ordering processes and optimize your materials stockpiling. For dispensing complete packaging units, our flap vending machine ORSYmat FP is ideal, an all-rounder that also handles returnable packaging and bulky materials. Each of up to 72 compartments holds an item that can be removed on demand. The ORSYmat RT really gets your material supplies moving. This rotational vending machine with up to 384 compartments can store many different products and is best for small and medium-sized items. Our Helix-based vending machine ORSYmat HX is ideal for individual items. Different sized spirals can be combined and used for storing, say, a large number of gloves. After selecting an item, it can be removed from the output compartment. The vending machines can be set up in production, maintenance, the warehouse, or at the workplace. ORSYmat FP, RT and HX can be combined and interconnected. One of them is the master module, with touch display for central control of all functions. When the ORSYmat WGT is opened via RFID card, you can take out the items as from a standard materials cabinet. But with a difference. Integrated weighing cells detect the number of pieces removed from a package and automatically trigger the ordering process. We developed the ORSYmat CHE specifically for hazardous substances. Perfect storage for different types of hazardous materials, X-protected and protected against unauthorized access. Automated ordering for a wide variety of parts. The ORSYmat models can be scaled flexibly. For businesses with central storage, a small range of articles and modest consumption, to companies with several storage locations, a huge range and high volume consumption. Another alternative, ORSY CRIB, the perfect choice if your company works with a wide range of manufacturing and operating supplies. All materials are stored and dispensed centrally. It works like a standard shop that's specifically tailored to your needs. Simply select an item, scan it at the order point, and it'll be reordered automatically. Benefit from maximum supply security, transparency, and efficiency for your manufacturing and operating supplies, 24/7. With the vending systems by Würth Industry Service.